Hello guys, welcome to Rally Fernandez content, and this is Z.
Hello.
So today we are gonna play one block and Z is gonna join. So let's wait for him because I know he's gonna join. His name in Roblox is KingJus036. So we gotta wait Z guys. Z, what are you saying anyway? Z, quiet Z. So guys, we are gonna wait for Z. I'm literally here just climbing. This is so fun. Guys, so we are gonna play one block for today. And today, if we die, we pindot mo na lang one search. Pindot tingnan mo view profile para maka-join ka Z.
This is my own block.
So, sorry about that, guys. So, we are gonna start the video. And if we die, and if we... Whoa, bro, wait down. And if we die, we end the video. So, if you're new here, hi. And today, we are gonna wait Z. This is him. This is him. He's a boy, though. Z, I'm here. I'm here. In front of you, though. Create a game, please. So we are gonna start right now in one teleport.
Ati, lipat ako.
Yes, sir. Wait, ayusin ko lang ito muna. Ayaw na. Ayusin ko muna. Auto-rotate.
Adi, bakit?
Help me! I'm total lagging. You know what? Auto-rotate na lang. Bahala na kahit ano. Basta mag-mining na ako. Guys, so let's start today. And Z is gonna help us for today. Please be quiet because there's some viewers watching this video though. So let's wait for Z. And now let's start the game. Now I'm mining literally. Let's just wait for Z. Anyway, I'm gonna sprint because I like this. Hello Z. Now you're back. Bruh. Now let's mine. You know what? Let's get our blocks first, Z. Let's get our blocks. Yup. Ma-minus ko na lang tong sound. So you can hear, guys. So... Bro, I have a song here, literally. I'm gonna craft something. Farm stand 1000. That's so many. 7-Eleven pa talaga. Bro, Z, can you stop? Z, I found a green apple. Ooh, I'm gonna add it on my inventory. Bro, this song is so sick. This song is very cool. Actually, this is very cool. I like this. And guys, Z is literally helping us right now. And because the enemy spawn point, I played this before. And yep. Wait, you found an apple again? Ooh, red apple. Maybe later. Anyways, I have to finish this first mining. Now let me get these blocks. Bro, I like this song. But I'm not a boy. I'm a girl. Mocha. Anini mocha, anini mocha. Bro, I like this song. Mocha, anini mocha. Bro, Z and me are literally singing. And so I'm gonna buy a farm stand. Mocha. So guys, now we're gonna add a farm plot. Not a farm plot. I think I just don't know. Can I add it here? Farm stand. Let's go. Farm plot. Let's go. Now let's mine first, so we get seeds. Z. I hope we survive. Because if we don't survive, we're gonna die. It's because I said earlier, if we die, we end the video. So it's kind of hard, this game, so yep. So now let's just mine. And this is my friend Kino036, my pinsan, joining here. He is literally here already. Anini mocha, anini mocha. Bro, there's no apple. Let me mocha, anini mocha. Watermelon. Wait, let me plant it here. Anini mocha. Bro, what is literally happening? And what is going on? Wala. Plan. Finally, now I'm gonna help Z because he's literally struggling, so I'm gonna help him. Oh. Yeah, I know. So, let's just start. Oh no, there's a raid coming tonight. Hell nah. Yeah, because we have weapons. Let's collect the blocks now because literally. What? Buti na lang. Bro, literally the song is so sick. But I'm not a boy though. Z, I found a green apple. So you already collect this. I'm gonna plant the farm plot again. I mean not plant. I'm just gonna add another one. Because yep. I'm gonna add it here. Ako nag-ano dyan eh. Sige. Di ba may pera ka? Yung my seeds Z, sa akin Z ha. Z, are you not helping me? Ooh! Z, alis please. Sure? Oh, sige. It's literally day 4 and yep. This is just preparing everything. This is just preparing everything so we can survive. And literally, it's literally day 4 and it's 10 minutes.
Adi, update. Turn out.
You're okay?
Pa-zombie atak me.
Are you okay, man?
Yup. Ba't ko nag-zombie? Adi, good sa akin to. Pili ko ng seed.
Bro, what seed did you get?
Zombie.
Oh, ako yung watermelon eh. Bruh.
At isang gold to the mouth.
Yun nga eh, yung iba nahuhulog. Now let me get this. Now let me just get the blocks so I have money. Now let's go. Bro, literally, I didn't die. Oh, let's go. See, what did you get? I mean, oh, I already know. Sorry about that. Alam ko na pala nakuha niya. Ano pala? Yep, bluff.
Adi, zombie is already dead. Zombie is stuck now.
No, they're not gonna glitch. I know we're dead.
Adi, ang sigit man dito.
Nabili.
Ano to? Oh, pili to.
Sure, I will plant bananas. Bananas.
Ano ba? Make mo tayo video.
I'm literally making a video right now. Can't you see? Elder Sister. Yung song. Ay, nye.
Dua naman.
Z!
Pili!
I think it died.
Oh, it's not died.
Oh, I thought it was dead, guys. That's just mine. Z, it grow na, nag-grow na Z.
Come on, Merin.
Yep.
Sige, Merin. Zero na eh.
Ako nga rin eh. Yung grow? Z kasi, Z, it's because you're late. Late ka mag-plant, hindi sabay sa akin. So let's just collect this.
Adi, tumawo na sa aking wall.
I guess they're gonna grow. Z, my bag.
15.
Z, dapat dito mga farm plots, oh.
Oh, amit ko na yun eh.
Z, dito na lang yung iba, Z, para madali. Diba? Z, pwede na lang tayo mag-share, Z.
Adi, wag!
What?
Anong dito?
Wait.
Ato, huwag natin to, huwag. Nasang sigat na eh, sige.
I can't pick it up.
Ado, ganyan nga daw, wait. Lap.
I can't pick it up. It's...
Ganyan nga daw, okay.
Z? Where is your...
Ato, plant it again.
I'm gonna plant it again.
Ado, tapit. Oo, pati dito ng ate, di mo. Ado yung sa akin ko eh.
O sige. Meron pa ako madami.
Okay?
Okay. Grow ko lang. Pa-plant pa ko Z, our favorite Z. Bananas! Wow, I got the meat. Now let's just do this. So guys, see, I'm helping you. No, please. Phew, I almost die. Bro, literally, ako yung pinakamas muntik na nadalo.
Ay, pwede pa yan. Pwede kami sasawin ako
Did you just...
Sasawin ako to si ate sorry.
Sige, kunin mo yung isa dyan. Ay, wag na. Kuha ko na.
Ha?
Yep. Magpa-plant ako uli. Zika,
Ako mayroon!
sige, plant ka.
Tignan mo! Di ba dyan? Sa akin, tinan mo. Meron ako.
Meron na din ako. Magpa-plant ba? Plant? Plant mo na ako siya. Zi, galing na natin siya, oh. Ay, Zi, gagi, ang lakas, Zi. Yung watermelon, Zi. Full tayo agad. Our room is so cool. We're so lucky. So now let's just do this. Bro, literally. So now I'm gonna mine this.
Ang liit ate!
What's going on, Z?
Ang liit!
Let me see. Normal lang yan. Ganyan naman eh. Ganyan yan, Z. Same sila. Ganyan.
Ay, laki. Parangan.
Bro, it's literally the same. Can't you see? Let me just mine now.
Ate, lagi ko kasi yan.
Sure.
Ay, ka ikaw. Ang video mo.
So, guys, literally, it's so... Oh my god, it's so long right now. And it takes so many time. I literally do this.
Ate, parang so ay, ate, gusto kong is good now.
Bro, it literally scared me. Maybe it's in the roof, Z. Be careful there.
Yuko eh.
Where? Let me see.
Sa bubong! Dito! Sa bubong!
That's a spawn point. Z, are we gonna make 2 floored? I mean, 2nd floor.
Bakit?
It's because it's beautiful in the 2nd floor and in the 1st floor. Hell no, it looks like hell no.
Ate,
It's like we're jail.
ate, tusod! Ang yapin ate, diba?
Sure ako na maggawa.
Bakit? Ate, po tayo magsinig ka pinto?
Wait lang, bili lang ako. Make ako 2 floors. I guess it's all clear. Now let me buy platform. I really like cherry. So I really like cherry platform. So I'm gonna buy it. So many of them.
Tagon pa ate, tagon. Yung sa amin.
How can I get there? The 2 floor. Hey.
Ate, wait lang.
Let me in. I mean, let me out. Not in. Hey. Now it's more harder. You know the wall hop. Yippee. Do you almost fall? Hell nah.
Ate, tingnan mo. Ate mo. Diba ako, ditan. Ate, tingnan mo.
Z, dalian na natin Z. Mag-make na tayo 2 floor. brother. Now I'm gonna make a platform. Let me make the 2 floor. So literally guys, it's like beautiful here in the 2 floor. You're like in space or something. It's literally beautiful here, like heaven.
Hello.
Can you help me, Z?
Yep, that.
Pick up tool muna ako. Z, ganyan lang Z, hanggang dito lang pala.
Ate, bigyan man ko o dito man.
Hanggang ganito na lang?
Lagi mo sa may tupo.
Wait, mag-ano pa ako. Para kasi kasi gusto ko mag 2 floor Z.
Oo, ako dito.
Ganda kasi.
Wala the blocks.
Wala na tayong blocks, so let's just mine now. Tago dito!
Ate, dito.
Wait lang. Oh, hell no.
Uy, tayo ate ulit.
But I said it. Sinabi ko sa ko si viewers pag namatay end na yung video.
Tayo. Walang gawin iba.
Nagbalik ako ng thanks for watching. Nagkaroon ka?
Di pa tapos. Goodbye guys. Thank you for watching.
Ate, next naman natin.